Hello everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you facing the print spooler problem on your printer? This video will help you fix this problem in a minute. Here, I will show you simple steps to restart the print spooler and make some important changes in the settings. Also, if the problem does not go away easily, then you can talk to our experts by calling at the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's begin the spooler's restart process and fix your problem quickly. First, open the Services window on your computer. Next, find the Print Spooler option and double-click on it. In the new window, go to Startup Type and make sure the Automatic option is selected. You need to also check the service status and confirm that it shows running. Go ahead and click on Apply, then select OK to save changes. Finally, right-click the print spooler again and choose the Restart option.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.